Serge.
Ito na lang. Sige,
Okay,
ako na
yun
lang
na lang.
bahala dyan.
Sige.
Okay, thanks Mark. Record na kayo Mark ha?
Tora lang po.
I-record na ba?
Kala ko magagawa ka. Gagawa ka.
Ay, gagalaw ba? Sige.
Kala ko may game.
Okay.
Pero okay lang naman kung
Sige.
15 minutes
Ito
lang naman
mindless na naman to. Hindi
Feeling
naman
ko,
kailangan
ano,
ng full attention.
Ano lang naman siya, parang mga 15 minutes lang kasi
Sige.
or less. Hi guys! I'm with Dion today sa first official episode
Oo nga.
ng Your Energy, Your Story. So, before this content, malamang narinig nyo na what this podcast is all about or ano yung mga possible contents na makikita ninyo, mapapanood nyo dito. And syempre, special dapat ang aking first official episode.
Special Siopaw.
Unang special siopaw. Ang una nating guest, of course, ang birthday celebrant din ngayong June. Dion!
Hi! Gugupit lang ako ha. Kasi meron
Multitasking
deadlines.
siya. Pero ang pag-uusapan kasi natin ngayon, yung sinabi niya, not sure kung napanood niyo yung isa ko pang content, no, that I ask a lot of my friends, ano ba yung greatest learning nila so far, no? I mean, Dion is 33. So ano na ba
Turning
yung
33, clarify.
turning 33 this month. So tinanong ko siya ano ba yung greatest learning niya so far. And I think sa mga nakaalala, tanungin na lang din natin para sure ano nga ulit yung sinabi niya.
Yes. Ang sinabi ko was where focus goes, energy flows. Yun.
Where focus goes,
energy
energy
flows.
flows.
Yun.
Ayan. So bakit natin siya, medyo maganda rin kasi yung, hindi medyo, no? Maganda rin kasi talaga yung sinabi niya. Kasi
Medyo lang.
May nabanggit din kasi siyang energy. Alam niyo naman that the
Oo.
podcast is all about your energy, your story. So maganda no na ito yung magiging simula ng conversation, magiging simula ng content. What made you decide na yun yung isasagot mo dun sa question about what's your greatest learning in your entire life so far?
Okay, may konting context kasi yun kasi napag-usapan natin yun among mga leaders, 'di ba, ng grupo natin na para medyo naiba na yung iba nag-iba na yung priority. So doon ko naisip bigla na kasi that was the same night, 'di ba, na nag-uusap tayo tapos I was thinking na ano ba't nag-iba, I mean, we're all of us are still in AIA pero yung iba nag-iba na yung priorities. So sisip ko it's totally up to us talaga kung saan tayo tututok. So doon din magfo-flow talaga yung energy. So for example, today, kaya medyo applicable siya today kasi dalawang energy yung hinahati ko for the podcast and this kasi may priority ko tong matapos. Priority ko tong matapos din tong podcast na to. So we might as well bundle, di ba? Ikaw, sinabi mo rin kanina before this na pwede naman kasi ang dami pang tatapusin. But yun, kasi sa daming area sa buhay natin, not only sa career but also sa family, kung saan tayo nakatutok, doon din talaga nalalagay yung energy. So for example, meron kang you are caught in a situation na pipili ka between the two, family or work, di ba? I think all of us meron ganung scenario sa buhay natin na naiipit, no? So ano yung focus na gusto mong mangyari o alin doon yung pipiliin mo? What is your true choice or gusto mo talagang mangyari? So if for some na kung priority nila yung trabaho, syempre meron talaga ring may negative din talaga na impact doon sa family, sa relationship because of our choices in life. In the same manner na pag family naman yung pinili, of course meron ding mga consequences yun sa work. So kung saan yung attention natin, doon din talaga na nagda-drive yung direction ng buhay natin. So, if we can look back at age 60, ikaw ba anong age na nakita mo na nagpapahinga ka na?
Bago ko sagutin yan, Mark, nagre-record ba? Hindi ko pala napindot yung recording, di ba?
Parang ongoing naman.
Recording naman,
Naka-read naman yung taas.
Thank you.
Okay po.
So, ano ulit yung sabi mo? Ikaw ba? At age 60?
Ako at age 60, for example, if I look back, ano ba yung saan ko ba na areas of my life ako naglagay ng focus. So that probably will end up this is at age 60 is the result of my focus and my energy. So yun na yung culmination ng lahat ng pinaglaanan mo sa buhay mo. So yun.
Meron nga akong isang ang ganda ng question mo na yan kasi there was one content that I posted, sabi ko, if I am already 80 years old today, ano yung mga memories, ano yung mga maybe things that I did for the past year that I will really remember, past years that I will really remember, and you know, something na I'm gonna be very, very grateful about. Buti na lang ginawa ko siya, buti na lang nag-focus ako doon, just like what you said. And one of them is running. Sinabi ko yun sa content, no, na not just for me, but maybe for everyone listening in this podcast. If you haven't tried running yet, believe it or not, ang dami na nagsabi niyan, if you're 80 years old today, you'll be very grateful, you'll be very thankful, and pasasalamatan mo talaga yung sarili mo na buti na lang, Leo, you started running at 20, at 30, at 40s, at 50s, regardless.
Na parang the sooner sana nakapagsimula ka.
Yeah. Definitely, I mean, it's never late, no? But if you started, that's better, no? Ikaw, you mentioned kanina na if you're 60, there's something that you wanted to, alam mo yung pag 60 ka na ngayon, ano yung pasasalamatan mo or you'll be grateful about?
Siguro yung hindi ako nakakulong sa sa isang atag dito. Hindi ako naka-box na na merong nagko-control sa akin, work man 'yan, family man 'yan, and I'm able to live an independent and free life. Yun kasi parang I'm seeing it in others na tipong na parang hearing the stories of other people na sana ginawa ko to, sana na pinush ko na lang yung ganito. Siguro I'm also speaking in the context na kasi nagpaplano ako sa birthday ko, di ba? Hindi ko pa alam yung gagawin ko. We had that conversation recently. So parang I wanted to experience something new. So hindi ko pa then kaya medyo na-point ako kagabi thinking ano kaya gusto kong mangyari na matagal ko nang hold off, pinopause na something na sana magawa ko siya on my birthday. So dami kong ideas na so, nag-search ako online kung anong pwede, some of which yun na-mention mo isa doon is yung EK. Tagalan nating pinopause yun, 'di ba? Pero sabi ko not this time. Iba. So lumabas doon is yung dinosaur sa Pampanga. Kasi tagal ko na, 'di ba? Nabanggit ko na sa iyo, gusto ko ma-experience ulit yun.
We talked about it, pero kasi 'di ba sabi ko ata or sabi mo na baka super for kids lang siya.
Last time we were there. Which is ayun.
Alam mo, sorry, balikan ko lang yung sinabi mo kanina. I think it talks so much about freedom
Yeah.
That there's parang walang boss, no one's telling you what to do, you get to decide for yourself.
Yes.
I'm just curious kasi, how did that relate to you about you saying where focus goes, energy flows?
Kasi wala akong structure na sinusunod. So I am responsible. I think that's the word. I am responsible for where my energy goes, energy flows. So parang wala akong pwede ibang sisihin kundi sarili ko. Kasi walang nagdidikta sa akin na hindi dapat dito gawin mo sa work, for example, or sa family mo. So with that freedom or independence comes with the responsibility na saan ba ako focus sa buhay ko. So for example, sa relationship natin, sa family. So kaya ko rin nasabi yun, among other things, is naalala mo yung nung bigla tayong napauwi ng Holy Week, that nag-resonate din talaga sa akin yung sinabi ko na yun kasi I want to focus that time on my family despite na malaki yung gastos. Kasi alam ko babalik yung pera mahanap ko naman, ma-earn ko naman yan So it was a very good choice for me na good move na despite na hindi siya financially responsible but yung yung experiences ko na nag-gain and the fact na nag-show up ako sa family ko during times na nandun ako sana, which is nag-show up ako that time kasi graduation ng pamangkin ko, birthday ng mother ko, my auntie was sick, so I had to be there. So sabi ko, sige push natin to despite na hindi siya pinlano talaga. So yun, I'm talking about the experiences in life na kung ano yung priorities mo, dun mo talaga i-drive yung yung energy mo. So kung in relation to my upcoming birthday, which is in a few days, so ano ba yung gusto kong energy na makuha on my birthday. Kasi
Mm.
last time on your birthday, nag-relax tayo.
Mm.
This time siguro, konting adventure, naisip ko rin yung Antipolo. Kasi di pa
Hiking.
tayo. Konting hiking. Pero Antipolo, yung,
I don't think-
yung glamping, di pa natin na-experience
glamping,
yun. So, I
yeah.
wanted to experience something new.
Sa Rizal, oo,
Oo,
marami
so
yan.
parang yun ang naisip kong possible na activity. Pero hindi pa ako nakapag-decide. Isa lang ba few days?
Mm.
Yun. So, yun ang ano ko kasi ang ano kasi natin, we have that liberty, ako personally, I have that liberty to do whatever I want in life. And
For context, when it was my birthday nung last month,
yes.
tapos ako kasi siguro ako mas mas okay sa akin surprises. So, ang dami niyang surprises na
Ako hindi kasi.
Siya kasi hindi talaga. I mean,
Oo.
I tried that before. And it turns out, pag hindi niya gusto, hindi rin siya mag-enjoy. So, I mean, that's not the best option. So, normally, after that, what I always do, I ask him first.
Oo, tsaka pinaplano.
I ask him first. Kasi I think, I'm sure marami makaka-relate sa mga in a relationship or husband and wife, no, na may mga partners talaga tayo that that it's better that you ask them. Surprises are good. Pero kasi, if the surprise won't make your partner happy, so better ask them. I think mas okay.
Of course, the effort, I appreciate the effort.
Mm.
Pero since like sa last time, the last birthday surprise that I appreciate so much is yung pinakita mo sa akin na nag-show up sa yung sa Rojas. Yung
Yung
20, ano ba ako nun?
29.
29? Grabe,
That
magta-33
was 4
na
years
ako.
ago. 4 years
So,
ago.
ayun, that was a surprise, pero I love that. Super
Mm.
nagustuhan ko yun because my friends were there,
Mm.
na-organize. I really thought, kasi sanay naman ako na hindi talaga ako nagsiselebrate
Correct.
ng birthday. So, it was unusual for me na may gano'n. Na parang, pwede pala yung ganito. Na pwede palang i-celebrate tapos may pa-surprise.
Siguro depende talaga sa surprise. Kapag yung
Yes.
surprise is like, kagaya nun, na
Sentimental,
like
ganyan.
together with the family, I think that's okay. Pero yung mga tipong nag-decide ka, nag-book ka ng ganito, nag-book ka ng hiking, nag-book ka ng trip.
Ay,
without-
naku, lalo na yung mga ganyang
Ah,
activities na ayaw ko.
yan.
Naku, mag-aaway talaga
Ayan,
tayo.
ganun siya. Anyway, going back to the topic about
Ayun.
where focus goes, energy
Oo,
flows.
ganun.
Right now, alam mo, by the way, bago ko siya tanungin doon, there was one time, nakakatawa to, pero sobrang amazing. Kailan kami Bulacan. Ikaw na magkwento, gusto mo ako magkwento?
Ikaw na magkwento.
Ako na lang
nagugupit ng
magkwento.
letter S.
So, nasa bundok kasi yung bahay namin sa Bulacan. So, palabas na kami ng bahay namin dun sa basta mapuno kasi yung area sa amin. Tapos sabi niya, sana may dumaang tricycle sa labas.
Kasi very rare na mayroon.
Oo, very rare kasi talaga. Like, sobrang dalan. So, sabi ko talaga sa kanya, ay, imposible, walang dadaan dyan. Malapit na kami dun sa may gate, biglang may dumaang tricycle.
Palabas.
As in,
Sakto-sakto. As in, saktong-sakto.
saktong-sakto. So,
Paglabas namin, mayroong tricycle.
tawa na lang talaga kami. I mean, the reason why I'm sharing this, kasi when Dion said that, sana may dumaang tricycle, yung conviction niya, alam mo yun, yung energy niya to say that, feel mo talaga na
Despite the odds.
Oo, convinced siya na may dadaang tricycle. And then it happened. Tapos, okay, akala namin tapos na yun, pero tawa na kami ng tawa na nun. So, yung tricycle, papunta dun sa bus terminal. So, sabi naman niya, sana ang masakay nating bus, yung favorite bus na, sobrang init na kasi ngayon, di ba? Yung favorite bus namin, ito yung parang modern bus ngayon, na
Parang
sobrang
P2P.
lamig. Oo, parang
Kamukha na
P2P na
P2P.
mga buses. Sabi ko, imposible kasi, hapon wala namang bus ng gantong oras na ganun kaganda, ganun ka modern. Pagbaba namin ng tricycle, boom! It is the exact jeep.
Yes.
Ay, jeep.
And very rare din yun nangyayari.
It is the exact bus na ine-expect niya. Pag sakay namin ng bus, tawa talaga kami ng tao. But sabi ko nga, that's I think what we're learning from that experience. No? Where your energy where your focus goes, your energy flows. And I think it's about manifestation. No,
Yes.
it's really about manifestation. How convinced you are that something like that will happen
Correct.
will depend on you. And then the rest will follow. Anyway, sinari ko lang yun kasi isa yun sa mga feeling ko best example no, ng where energy goes, energy flows.
Pero pag hindi naman binigay, thank you pa din.
Correct. Oo. Hindi naman, I mean, it doesn't mean na ganun ka.
Ungrateful ka na.
Oo.
ganyan. Hindi
And
naman.
mawawalan ka na ng pag-asa. I don't think that's how life is. It's
Yeah.
about consistently and constantly hoping for the best. regardless of the outcome.
Yes. And I think I'll add no, on top of that, kasi that's more of asking and you shall receive. Which is parang yun doon ang focus mo, meaning you attract it, 'di ba? Manifest it. Siguro another thing ng sinabi ko where focus grows, energy flows is yung mga choices natin sa daily life talaga na not only daily life but yung mga moral choices natin,
Every choices that we
political
make.
choice, meron siyang if you kasi malamang 'di ba we make a choice based on the based on what we want, pero syempre all of those choices merong din talagang caveat, consequences, meron kang baka parang merong the other side, 'di ba? Na parang you can't get example sa piso, you can get one side, you get both sides, no, sa piso. So kagaya niyan, yung sabi ko kanina, if you're given the choice to to choose family or work, so pipiliin mo. So whichever you choose, may consequence talaga.
Correct.
So I think that's and we have to live up. We have to live with that consequence.
Agree.
Whatever that consequence may be. Kasi hindi pwede na pag dito na i-ignore mo lang yung consequence of your actions. In the same manner, no, if I may have konting political dito conversation. So if we choose some personal choice natin na ganitong leader yung natin pipiliin. So yun deserve natin, 'di ba? Yung pinili natin. So kung saan
Agree.
talaga yung
100%.
yung focus natin, doon din talaga nag-go or yung energy natin nag-flow.
Yeah.
Marami siyang context, but I think that's one of the most important na gusto ko ninyo na makuha, that yung choice natin, small choices every day, for example, isa pa, magtutubig ba ako today, magkakape ba ako today, magmamilo ba ako in the morning, those small choices will compound eventually. So yung 3-in-1 yung kape ninyo, utang na loob, you're on the road to diabetes. So yun, no, I
Health
think
health choices.
yun,
Parang
health
ganun.
choices,
Yeah.
yes. So yung kung walang gulay, 'di ba, you will reap the consequence eventually kung wala kang gulay, no, at least from time
And
to
I think
time.
it aligns with what you said kanina. Are the choices you made today, will your 60-year-old self,
Appreciate or be happy about it.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
diba,
Ganun.
will my 80 years old version or 80 years old self will be thankful or will be grateful for all the choices that I made today? I mean, like today,
Yes.
June, ano ba ngayon? June 3,
June 3.
diba? Mark, sorry, nag-roll pa ba?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. So hirap na, baka di naman ang dami nating chika eh. But I think that that is really impactful to remind our viewers that it doesn't matter how big or small even the smallest decision that you will make today will really impact you, the version of yourself tomorrow, and
Yeah.
definitely the version of yourself 40 years, 50 years, 60 years from now.
Mm-mm.
Ganda nun. I love it. Now, before we end this this conversation about where focus goes, energy flows, if you can share, if there's one thing that you can share now na you feel like this is where your focus is going right now, saan kaya? Ano kaya yun?
Focus ko ngayon, marami akong ngayon
If there's one thing that maybe you can share.
Well, I'm dedicated sa work ko ngayon. Kagaya ng diba, ginagawa ko ngayon. So, and ito kasi, like kagaya itong ginagawa na kita naman sa camera, no. This work will also my creative outlet. So, parang kasi work natin, diba, may pag-sales,
Right.
technical, na you have to know about the whereabouts about insurance. So,
Right.
itong role ko as a marketing consultant gives me that energy kasi creative talaga ako na tao. So, yung focus ko, I want to divert na yung hindi compulsory na magbenta, ganyan. So, this is my outlet. Kaya that's why nag-enjoy ako. Sabi ko, kailangan ko ito tapusin.
Ganda.
Kasi meron akong deadline. Plus, I enjoy what I do. So, pwede ko naman ito i-delegate. But, since andito naman ako, di ba? And may ginagawa si Mark, may iba siyang ginagawa. So, ako, it's my focus now is to make this, to accomplish this. No? In this moment, no, my focus now is to complete this para maging bongga ang ating anniversary, no, sa agency, which is happening in a few days.
Would you say
So,
that you are passionate about your creative?
Super, yes.
How do you think this focus, this passion will help your energy today, tomorrow, and in the coming days?
Okay, good question. So, in the context na kanina na looking forward in the next, for example, 60 years old na ako, I can look back na, ito naging project ko sa, nung nag-marketing ako. I'll be able to say na nagawa ko yan. Na ako ang brains behind it, na ang dami kong nakuhang feedback, na gandaan sila sa ideas ko, sa gawa ko. And that will give me that sense of an accomplishment and and happiness na ay naka-share ako ng talent ko sa ibang tao. Diba? So, yun.
And would you say na itong energy coming from this focus, from this thing that you're passionate about, do you think this is something that also impacting, other aspects of your life?
Oo naman, definitely. Kasi especially if what I do now, masaya ako. After this, pag tapos na to, yung energy na yon, it will transfer to other things. So for example, mamaya may imimit akong prospect for recruit, diba?
Ganda.
So madadala ko yun.
It's compounding,
Oo, yun, madadala ko talaga yun. Na, dahil ako feeling accomplished ako, feeling dapat by lunch, tapos na ako sa paggugupit, tapos na to lahat. No? Which I think, naman, on track naman. That's why I insisted, okay na ba magupit ako? Para at least, siya ongoing. So, on track naman. And, ayun nga, madadala ko siya mamaya, bukas, and especially, this is related to the event on Friday. So, by Friday, makita ko, ang dami naka-appreciate ng gawa ko, which is I did today.
You know what? I think iyan yung isa sa magandang reminder sa atin and maybe some of our viewers na minsan nakakalimutan natin to do what we are passionate about, what makes us happy. Diba? And I think totoo yun eh. As long as it makes us happy, the energy coming from that, from that passion, from that action, from
natatransfer siya.
From that focus, diba? It becomes ang tawag doon, contagious.
Yes.
That
that's
it
the
doesn't
word.
just impact you, but also people around you, things around you. Do you agree?
Correct. Tama yun.
Diba? Ayun, ang ganda. Well, that's the topic of our podcast, your energy, your story. Palagay mo, what is your story? UMDG talaga. What is your story? What is your energy and what is your story? Diyon.
Ano ba dapat sabihin ko?
Ikaw, paano gusto mo? I mean, given that what you shared right now, if you will be asked, kasi diba, your energy, your story, ano kaya yung energy mo and what is your story?
Okay. May energy, probably, nag-iisip ako, na I do what I'm passionate about. And I just enjoy it. Tapos, ang story doon is that I will have, I can look back in the future na grateful ako na I've made these choices. And that I've made the right areas, I made the right decision to focus on the right areas of my life. Yeah. Yeah.
Love it. Maraming salamat, Dion. At maraming salamat sa mga nakinig at nanood at manonood pa ng content na ito. Unfortunately, we have to end na kasi sabi ko dapat 15 minutes lang to eh. Parang nag-more than 15 minutes ata tayo eh. 20 minutes na. 25. O, di ba? 25 minutes
Talk
na.
show.
O, talk show kasi kami. But maraming salamat Dion for sharing your thoughts about where focus goes, energy flows. And thank you also for guesting sa aking first.
Sa wakas.
Finally, alam nyo itong your energy, your story ay 2023 pa lang na conceptualize ko na siya. Pero it is already 2026. But I'm glad, di ba, that I did it. And I think it's a good start of an energy to define a story that I wanted to
True.
happen. Kasi this year, I really want to maximize, to really get something more about creating contents. That's it.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat everyone. Bye-bye.